The best sandwiches have a little bit of everything, like something creamy, crispy, herby, and a dipping broth. That's a grilled birria sandwich, and here's how you get it. We'll pressure cook a roast in beef broth seasoned with a bay leaf, cinnamon stick, garlic, paprika and chili powder, black pepper, oregano and cloves, diced onion, chipotle peppers and adobo sauce, and guajillo chilies. Give it a good stir to coat the roast. When it's done cooking, remove the whole spices and chilies and shred the meat, removing unwanted fat. If you've got a grill fired up, brush olive oil on the bread and grill the bread for a crispy smokiness. Otherwise, a quick toast will do. Add the meat and give a healthy sprinkle of cotija cheese to bake into the meat. Top this with slices of tomatoes and avocado and a bright layer of fresh cilantro. You could stop there, or take that tasty cooking broth and make it a dip for your crispy grilled birria sandwich.